This bird sneaking into the store is actually a seagull. Right now, it's scouting its target, preparing for a robbery. It's also very familiar with the store's automatic doors. Clearly, this guy is a repeat offender. Some seagulls are even more brazen. They'll snatch food right from people's mouths. Hard to guard against. Because seagulls are highly intelligent, they observe and mimic human behavior. And they're especially interested in the food you haven't finished eating. Contrary to rumors, seagulls aren't very united among themselves. They often fight over uneven shares of loot. They also kick others when they're down, full of tricks. And they even enjoy mocking their peers' misfortunes.